I'm Zack from Kid2Kid Tutorials, and right now we're going to be practicing measuring angles. I know I've been missing a couple weeks on these videos, but I've been sick, so we had to skip some of these. And now we're starting geometry. We're done with algebra. So we're going to start by measuring straight and vertical angles. So here is our first problem. Is this find angle ABC? This right here, that sign that looks like a less than sign, it means angle. So angle ABC, A, B, and C. So now that we know the points and it's an angle, we try to find it. So is this a vertical or straight angle? So let's find out. So let's start. How do we find this angle? Let's start by drawing a circle. Okay, let's start with our first problem. So we have angle A, B, and C. But how do we find the angle of it? Let's draw a circle. So we're drawing a circle because we know that a circle is 360 degrees. So the circle is 360 degrees. And you can see that this line splits it in half. So we try to find 360 divided by 2, or half of 360. So 360 divided by 2 is 180. So we can tell this angle here is 180 degrees. 180 degree angles are called supplementary angles. Okay, now let's move on to our second problem. You're probably wondering what this less than looking sign means. Well, it means angle. So find the angle of W, X, and Y. W, X, and Y. So the angle would be right here. So yeah, let's find that. So we're already given an angle, or a measurement of an angle, which is 55 degrees. 55 degrees goes for Y, X, and Z. So Y, X, and Z equals 55 degrees. Okay, so in the last problem, we looked at a supplementary angle, or an angle that measures 180 degrees. So doesn't this look like a supplementary angle to you? Yes, it's a supplementary angle. So we have a part of it, which is 55 degrees. And a supplementary angle is 180 degrees. Now we need to add a number to 55 to get 180. Or we could just subtract 180, 55 from 180. So let's start with it. 180 minus 55. So 180 minus 55 is 125. So we have 125 degrees. So where would we put this? We would put this right here, since if you add these angles, it equals 180, and it makes a supplementary angle. So W, X, and Y is equal to 125 degrees. Now we have another angle like that. Can you still see supplementary angles? Yes, but they're just diagonal looking. So we're asked to find angle LPO. So we're given this angle MPN, which is equal to 72 degrees. So MPN is equal to 72 degrees. And this is a supplementary angle. So we're trying to find LPO right here. So LPO, so we can't just find it from using that to that. We need to add this up here, and then whatever that equals, we need to subtract it from 180, and we find this. So let's do 180 minus 72. So 180 minus 72 is 108. So we know this angle LPM is 108 degrees. So then what's angle LPO? So let's do 180 minus 108. And we just did that here. That's the same thing as we did here. So, but we were subtracting 72 instead. Now if we subtracted 108 instead, we would get 72. So this right here is 72. So angle LPO is 72. Now we're asked to prove that angle MPN equals angle LPO. So angle MPN is right there, and LPO is right there. So we have to prove that they're both equal. Remember the last problem we did with the 72 degrees and the 108 degrees? And the 72 degrees would be right there, and another 72 degrees would be right there. They're the same. That's called the vertical angles. Those are vertical angles. And remember this 108 right there? Would this be 108? Yes, because they would be vertical angles. So let's test vertical angles if you don't believe me. So let's just write angle, a measurement for MPN. It looks like about 82 degrees. So we'll write 82 degrees. And this here, so we have that 82 degrees. Now we're going to see if this is 82 degrees also. So let's do 180 minus 82. 180 minus 82 is equal to 98. So 98 degrees would go right there. So 82 degrees plus 98 degrees is 180. So this would be 82 also. So that's a supplementary angle with that, and that's a supplementary angle with that. This is a supplementary angle with that. And this is a supplementary angle with that. So that's why there's a vertical angle. 98, this and this are vertical angles. And LPO and MPN are also vertical angles. So yes, angle MPN equals angle LPO. So you see these blue and red lines we marked? So you can see the blue has 98 and 82 degrees on them, which equals 180. And the red line has 98 and 82 degrees on that, which equals 180. So these are the lines which make a supplementary angle. Thank you for watching Kid2Kid Tutorials. And if you like our videos, please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.